Introduction. Hrithik is on a vacation to Meghalaya. He finds that most houses are built at some height from the ground with the help of a few pillars. He asks his mother the reason for it. His mother explains that the state receives heavy rainfall every year. So in order to prevent rainwater from entering and damaging the houses are built on stilts. Hrithik is eager to learn more about the different types of houses found in the world. Let us discuss houses in detail. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to define a house, explain the different types of houses found in different areas, list the features of a good house, define natural shelters, define sanitation, explain the importance of sanitation and safety of a house. Houses. What is a house? House is a building or place where people live with their families. Houses in snowy areas. Houses differ from place to place. Houses in areas that receive heavy snowfall have sloping roofs. Sloping roofs prevent snow from collecting on the roof. In places covered with snow throughout the year like Greenland, Antarctica, etc., people live in special houses known as igloos. Igloos are semi-spherical in shape and are made of blocks of ice. Houses in mountainous regions. In mountainous regions, houses are made of wood. Here again, the houses have sloping roofs because such regions receive a lot of rain and snow. Sloping roofs allow easy flow of snow and rainwater from the roof to the ground. Houses in rainy areas. In areas that receive heavy rains, houses are built at some height above the ground. These houses are supported by pillars made of bamboo known as stilts. That is why these houses are called stilt houses. Stilt houses save people from floods, which are a regular feature in such regions. Houses in villages. Houses in villages are made of mud, clay, straw, and bushes. They are called huts. Houses in cities and towns. In towns and cities, houses are built of bricks and cement. They are either single or multi-storied. Many different families live in these multi-storied buildings. Good house. House may be small or big. A good house is one which is airy, gets proper sunlight, has a separate cooking area, has a separate sleeping area, has independent bathrooms and toilets, has a separate area for entertaining guests. Natural shelters. Early man did not build houses. Instead, he lived in natural shelters such as caves, rocky crevices, etc. They provide protection to early man from extreme weather conditions, wild animals, etc. Sanitation. Sanitation means cleanliness. Sanitation in houses can be ensured through safe disposal of waste generated in the houses. Drainage of a house must be regularly checked to avoid choking and overflowing. Safety of house. Safety of a house is very important. Dirty water should not be allowed to collect near a house as it damages the house. Leakages in overhead tanks should be plugged. Woodwork of a house must be protected from termites. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. Houses are buildings where people live with their families. Igloos are found in areas covered with snow throughout the year. Stilt houses are found in areas that receive heavy rains. Houses in mountainous regions have sloping roofs. Village houses made of mud, clay, straw, and bushes are known as huts. Houses in cities and towns are made of bricks and cement. Caves, rocky crevices, etc. where early man lived are known as natural shelters. Sanitation